Get to your yes quicker with Impression and our Microsoft Office connector for Word and Excel. To get started, open up the document you would like to send for signature. Once installed, Impression is conveniently located in the ribbon. If this is the first time you are using Impression since installation, navigate to Sender Settings and insert your license key, sender name and email. Click the Advanced button to view more settings. If you would like to send a custom message with the sign-in request, check the Use a Custom Email Body checkbox. You can choose to attach a chain of custody to your document. This details how the document was received, altered and signed. If you would like to upload a contact list, click the Browse button, navigate to where your CSV file is saved, select and click Open. Your contacts will now be imported. Alternatively, you can connect to your Azure Active Directory to allow you to search for contact information of colleagues in your organization. Click the area on the document where you would like to insert your field. You can choose to add a signature block, text box or checkbox to your document. Select a role from your list of already added roles or add a new one. A role is a way of mapping a single signatory to multiple signature tags easily. They also allow you to create reusable templates so you can easily remap signatories to tags without having to redesign the document. Drag and resize the box to correctly position it. Once you have added fields to all the places they are required, you can manage this by clicking Manage Fields, which gives you an overview of all the tags you have placed in your document. If required, you can remap fields to roles or delete any duplicate fields. Once you are ready, click the Send for Signature button. If during setup you imported your contacts or connected your organization's Active Directory, you can click the Browse button and search for the contact you would like to assign to a role. Once you have found them, double-click on their name and their details will be automatically added to the fields. For additional security, you can password protect the document before the signatory is able to view it. Once you are happy all the entered information is correct, map the signatory to the role and click the Add button. Continue the process for the remaining signatories. If a signatory is not in your address book, you can manually enter their details. Mandatory fields are indicated with a red asterisk. If you would like to send a document deadline, simply choose a date and time you require the document to be signed by. If you do not require signatories to sign a document in a specific order, check the Sign in Any Order checkbox. If you would like to receive a signed copy of the document each time a signatory signs it, check the checkbox. Once you have entered the details for all roles, hit the Save and Send button. If you elected to send a custom message, select the signatory from the drop-down menu and type in your message. Repeat this process for all signatories and click Send. The document will be sent as an email to all signatories specified. You can track their progress by clicking Track Signature button. This opens a tracking panel where you can view all previous document signature requests. A document can be tracked at a workflow level and an individual signature level. To track at a workflow level, either double-click the workflow you would like to track or select the workflow and hit the Track button. The workflow gives you an overview of all the signatories, the steps and their progress. To track at the signature level, select the workflow you would like to track and then either double-click the signature you would like to track or select it and hit the Track button. A list of all events will now appear. As a signatory progresses through the signing process, events are updated. Click the Refresh button to refresh the list and see if any new events have occurred. Click the Resend Email button to send a reminder to a signatory to sign the document. You can come back to this panel anytime to check up on all signature requests you have sent. Once a document has been signed by all the signatories, the signed document is sent back to the email address you specified in your settings. You can open the signed document and view the different signatures. One of the key features to look for is the blue bar at the top with the green tick that indicates all signatures are valid and the document has not been tampered with. The document can now be stored safely on your network. For more information, go to www.impression-signatures.com.